What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're back over here at Spike's house. We've got the other wheel in finally, and we got the hubs finally. So now we actually get to show you what the truck looks like when we get everything on there. Right. We got Spike underneath here right now. Got to pop the diff cover. Go ahead and drain all it out. I mean, we're already in this situation right now. So, yeah, might as well change all it out. But we're going to get the other axle out, get the other hub back on it, get both these wheels on it, set it down, and take it for a little test spin, get a little drive on it. Make sure everything's okay. I mean, I'm sure it is, but we're excited to see what the truck can look like on the ground and how it's going to run, and hopefully this solves all our issues of, you know, traction issues, all that kind of crap. So we're going to get to work taking all the stuff apart, and we'll catch up to you guys here in just a second. All right, guys, first thing on the day, we got to get this other axle out of here, change these studs out. You can look at these right here, back up for this minute back. You can tell we got some twisted fingers for wheel studs.
These were
yeah, Ichabod cream.
6 months old.
Oh my god.
Not even that. Six
No,
weeks.
they're not even 6
We got about
months.
6 runs on these. Are ARP, grade 8s, and
Yeah.
yeah, I thought there was a problem there, but leave it to me to mess something up. It's okay.
We're gonna get these out here, guys, and we'll catch up with you here in just a second. All right, guys, this axle's loose coming out.
Yeah, that's gonna be good.
Yeah, you left yourself plenty of room there.
Hey! Okay. Oh yeah.
All the teeth still look good. Golly, those freaking studs are horrible.
Yeah, they're beautiful. You want to take a look at that? Look.
I mean, jeez, look at that. All of them are twisted.
Yeah, maybe yeah.
Too much power. Probably it's just a big fat pig is what the problem is.
Yeah, exactly. What are you saying?
All right, guys, we're gonna get these studs out of here, slap the axle back in it, put the wheel on, let this thing be done. Oh my gosh, let me get out of the wind here, 'cause I'm sure that sounds nice for y'all. Yeah, windy mic is always sounds nice.
Here's what's supposed to be tomorrow. Rain.
Oh, well, yeah, it's gonna rain tomorrow, so we can't go to the track. Otherwise, we'll be taking this to the track. So we'll take it out, do a little test drive, a couple of hits on the street over in Mexico. I mean, literally Mexico. We're gonna get this put together, get down on the ground, and if any of you keyboard warriors talk smack and start punching, this was a free T-shirt. I do not run Precision Turbos. I still got the EVA ones on there. So yeah, if it's free, I'm gonna wear it. I'm cheap,
Right.
as you can tell. So we'll catch up with you.
Shirt on too, so.
Yeah, he's got a 4-wheel drive shirt on, and we're having, you know, excuse me, street truck, not race truck.
Street truck.
So we'll go back to y'all here in just a second when we get all this done. You know, bore y'all with all that stuff. So here we go. All right, guy, axle is back in, ready to mount the hub, mount the wheel.
That's it.
Be done. There we go, guys. There's our first look at Philo with their new shoes on.
Ooh, yeah.
What do you think?
Long day.
Dude, I think it's freaking sick looking.
Look at my windows. Yeah, it's kind of pretty good.
I mean, ride height's perfect.
It doesn't look too bad.
No. Still fits in, tucks up nice, just enough wheel stance on it.
Yeah.
Surely you shouldn't have a problem planting.
Surely.
Surely.
Surely. Come on, man. Come on, truck.
All right, guys, we're gonna jump in this thing and take it down the street and do a little test hit on it. All right, guys, here we go. Maiden voyage on the new wheels.
spin very well.
Imagine that.
Yeah, it seemed to be okay. Let's go for a ride.
Nice.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, remember, I'm the one that stuck with a lap belt.
Yeah, well,
Somewhat.
factory.
Not even factory, it's missing the shoulder harness. Lee.
God knows who used that last. I have no idea. So really,
Back in 1977?
Yes, that's the last time I think it's been used.
Lee.
Or used it.
Which one short?
Woo! Yeah.
Yeah, there we go.
Here we go. Breathe.
We're good. We're good.
I look like 2 foot tall here, don't I? Man, I'm telling you, I look myself on the camera. I'm like, holy.
All right.
I hit from a roll.
What's that?
I hit from a roll.
I probably wouldn't do it until you get around the corner.
Oh yeah, not here. Yeah, no.
At least get back where there's no entry streets.
Which is kind of difficult.
Yeah.
Entry street down here.
All right. Well, I mean, you're just gonna go right here.
Yeah.
Like I said, I would just do a one.
I don't even know about. I'm just gonna stall it out.
I call that a success. What's that?
That seems to be okay.
Yeah. That seemed to work out.
I'm gonna do it all the way forward.
All right. Well, I probably wouldn't have planned it if you went all the way
No,
forward.
but sorry, it's been. That's why I sifted into third pretty fast. So 19.3, so.
Trying to
So
jump
you
back
break
around.
tires in, everybody. Drive around the block one time and stick it.
Stick it. Well, I'm sure that wind sounds great to you guys.
Didn't do too bad.
Huh?
Oh, that I wouldn't even really hit it. Just quarter throttle there.
No, like I said, that's a nice little tire pattern, just 2 outside lines.
Yeah, 2 outside lines there. Yeah.
I thought you were going to trans break it up and hit it.
No, I was like, I knew it wasn't gonna stick, but
We don't know.
that water was not there, was it?
What's that?
That water was not there.
This one?
Yeah.
No.
I was like, damn. Yeah. Okay, let's
Yeah.
change that. Oh,
Yeah, no, I
well.
thought you were going to trans break it and hit it. I mean, just hit it in first and just see what it does. See if it, you know, rocks back.
Yeah.
I mean, you're at race tire pressure. It's bare concrete. You can't see a street truck.
I'll go that way.
There you go, guys. I'm going to try to hit it with trans brake real quick. Probably will not plan it, but it's worth a shot. As expected. We probably should leave from here now.
Pretty good contact patch.
Yeah, we probably outstayed our welcome.
Yeah.
Just saying.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me get the safety apparatus on.
Yeah, well, that's a good little contact patch.
Yeah. Well, the whole thing is,
Oh,
yeah, it didn't plan, but it was moving out.
Yeah, it was moving down. Like I said, as soon as I caught the brake, it was spinning, so I just grabbed second and grabbed third real quick because I wasn't even in all
Just
the
short
way.
shifted.
Yeah, I just wanted to stay on the brake,
Yeah.
let it pop a little bit, and then when I let it loose, it was already digging and spinning, so I was like, I'm just going to keep it to the floor, back off a little bit, and shift second, shift third.
Yeah.
And it started moving forward.
Yeah,
so.
you'd already rolled the tires, you can see the chatter.
Yeah, so.
All right.
Well, awesome. Broke tires in.
All right, I call that a success.
Very well.
It came home running without being towed.
Yeah, unlike some other ones.
Yeah, which is the important part.
Some of the black ones over there.
All right, guys, that's going to do it for us here. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.
Take care, guys.